The 14 idols or the Kharchi Puja is going to be started from Monday 26th June. The Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah will inaugurate the Kharchi Puja. Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma, Tourism Minister Sushant Chowdhury and AMC Mayor Deepak Majumdar will be attending the puja. The 14 idols or the Kharchi Puja is going to be celebrated like every year through a joyous and heartwarming celebration. The 14 idols or the Kharchi Puja at Kayarpur will be started from Monday 26th of June. The Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah will inaugurate the Kharchi Puja. Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Vikas Debarma, Tourism Minister Sushant Chowdhury and AMC Mayor Deepak Majumdar will be attending the puja. The former Chief Minister MP Biplab Kumar Dev will be visiting the Kharchi Puja on 30th of June. Likewise, Minister Pratima Bhomik and State BJP President Rajiv Bhattacharjee will be visiting the puja on 2nd of July. The chairman of Kharchi Puja, MLA Ratan Chakrabarti, gave this announcement in a press meet organized at All Agartala Block Conference Hall on Saturday. Over 1,000 TSR Jawan will be deployed across the Kayarpur area on the days of Kharchi Puja. Moreover, several CCTV camera has been set up at different places of Kharchi Puja, says the chairman of Kharchi Puja Committee, MLA Ratan Chakrabarti. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.